Galaxy Centaurus A is dying. Imagine a galaxy, 12 million light-years away, with a supermassive black hole at its center. This is Centaurus A, a peculiar elliptical galaxy, where dramatic dust lanes run across the center, almost completely obscuring the galaxy. Stop and think about this. These dust lanes are so thick, they block our view of the galaxy's core. What's happened to the center of this galaxy? According to NASA APOD, the explanation is still unclear. But there is something even more shocking coming up. As we delve deeper, we find that Centaurus A is not just any galaxy, it's a galaxy in the process of dying. Its supermassive black hole is actively pulling in matter, causing the galaxy to undergo a transformation. Here is what nobody is talking about. The galaxy's unique shape is a result of a collision with another galaxy, which occurred hundreds of millions of years ago. This next fact will change how you see this forever. The collision caused a massive burst of star formation, which is now coming to an end. Wait until you hear what happened next. The galaxy's stars are dying, and the supermassive black hole is slowly consuming the remaining matter. And here is the part that completely changed my mind. The galaxy's fate is a reminder of the impermanence of all things in the universe. As we gaze upon Centaurus A, we are reminded of our own place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. The galaxy's story is one of birth, growth, and eventual death, a story that echoes the story of our own universe. This raises a profound question: what does the eventual death of a galaxy mean for the universe as a whole? Join us next time as we explore more mysteries of the universe. Subscribe to our channel for weekly videos that will leave you in awe of the cosmos.